Brussels, a city that's not just about politics and history but a place where the night comes alive in the most unexpected ways. Land of chocolate, waffles, and wild nights? Absolutely. This city is a treasure trove of culinary delights and nocturnal adventures. You bet. Forget those stuffy stereotypes. Brussels is a city that knows how to let loose and have a good time. This city comes alive after dark. The streets are filled with laughter, music, and the vibrant energy of people ready to enjoy the night. We're talking hidden bars tucked down cobblestone alleys where every corner holds a new surprise. Legendary clubs pulsing with energy, where the beats are infectious and the dance floors are always packed. And a vibe that's both chic and down to earth. Whether you're dressed to the nines or keeping it casual, you'll fit right in. Brussels knows how to party, and trust me, you'll want in. The camaraderie and joy are simply contagious. Whether you're a beer aficionado, savoring the rich flavors of Belgian brews, a dance floor demon, losing yourself to the rhythm, or a jazz cat looking for soulful tunes in a cozy pub, Brussels has something for everyone. So, loosen your tie, grab your dancing shoes, and get ready to experience the magic of Brussels nightlife. It's a place where memories are made, friendships are forged, and every night is a new adventure. It's time to ditch the guidebook and discover the real Brussels, one unforgettable night at a time. From bustling streets to intimate venues, the city offers a myriad of experiences. Ready to dive in? Let's go! The night is young, and Brussels is waiting to show you its wonders. First stop, Beer Lovers Paradise Delirium Cafe. Imagine this, over 2,000 beers from around the world, all under one roof. It's enough to make your head spin, in a good way of course. From fruity Belgian classics to rare Trappist brews, Delirium's menu is a beer geek's dream come true. Don't be intimidated by the sheer volume of choices. The friendly staff knows their stuff and can guide you to your perfect pint. Grab a table outside, soak up the lively atmosphere, and let the good times and the beer flow. You might even catch some live music on the weekends. Cheers to that! Next up, we're stepping into a world of vintage glamour and quirky charm at Madame Moustache. This ain't your average bar. Think plush velvet booths, sparkling chandeliers, and walls adorned with, well, mustaches of course. It's a feast for the eyes and a playground for the soul. Madame Moustache is all about letting loose and embracing the unexpected. DJs spin everything from electro swing to disco, and the dance floor is always packed with a diverse crowd of happy revelers. Come for the atmosphere, stay for the killer cocktails and the infectious energy. Just be prepared to dance the night away. It's impossible to resist the groove at Madame Moustache. Ready to turn things up a notch? Head underground to Fuse, Brussels' temple of electronic music. This legendary club has hosted some of the biggest names in techno, house, and everything in between. The sound system is top-notch, the crowd is passionate, and the vibe is pure electric energy. This is where you come to lose yourself in the music and dance until dawn. Don't expect any frills here. Fuse is all about the music, and that's exactly how the crowd likes it. So put on your dancing shoes, grab a drink at the bar, and prepare for a night of sonic bliss. Section 5. The Music Village Jazz echoes in the heart of Brussels. Nestled in the vibrant city of Brussels, the Music Village stands as a beacon for jazz enthusiasts and music lovers alike. This iconic venue has been a cornerstone of the city's rich musical heritage, drawing in crowds from all corners of the globe. Need a break from the electronic beats? Tired of the pulsating rhythms and flashing lights of the modern nightclub scene? Step into the Music Village, a cozy jazz club tucked away in a historic building. Here, the ambiance is warm and inviting, with dim lighting that casts a nostalgic glow over the vintage decor. The very walls seem to hum with the echoes of jazz legends who have graced its stage. This place is a haven for music lovers with its intimate atmosphere, impeccable acoustics, and world-class performers. From soulful saxophone solos to smooth piano melodies, every note played here resonates with passion and history. The Music Village is not just a venue, it's an experience, a journey through the heart and soul of jazz. The Music Village offers a journey through the heart and soul of jazz. Each performance is a testament to the genre's rich legacy, with musicians pouring their hearts into every chord and rhythm. Whether it's a lively ensemble or a haunting solo, the music here speaks to the soul. Sip on a Belgian beer or a glass of wine, carefully selected to complement the evening's melodies. The bar offers a curated selection of drinks that enhance the overall experience, making each visit a sensory delight. Close your eyes and let the music transport you. Feel the stress of the day melt away as the soothing sounds envelop you. It's a moment of pure bliss, where time seems to stand still, and all that matters is the music. This is the perfect spot to unwind after a long day of exploring. Whether you've been wandering the historic streets of Brussels or simply need a break from the hustle and bustle, the Music Village offers a serene escape. Or to simply soak up the magic of live music in a truly special setting. The connection between the musicians and the audience is palpable, creating an atmosphere of shared appreciation and joy. Whether you're a seasoned jazz aficionado, someone who has spent years immersed in the genre, or simply curious to experience the genre's allure, the Music Village welcomes you with open arms. It's a place where newcomers and veterans alike can find common ground in their love for jazz. The Music Village promises an unforgettable evening. As the night draws to a close and the final notes linger in the air, you'll leave with memories that will last a lifetime. The magic of jazz, the charm of Brussels, and the warmth of the Music Village combine to create an experience that is truly unparalleled. Section 6, Brasserie Verschuren, a taste of tradition. Let's switch gears and step back in time at Brasserie Verschuren, a true Brussels institution. This grand cafe has been serving up Belgian classics since 1918, and stepping inside feels like taking a trip back to the city's golden age. Order a pint of local beer, savor a plate of steaming mussels, and soak up the authentic atmosphere. This is the place to rub shoulders with locals, enjoy hearty Belgian cuisine, and experience the city's rich history firsthand. Section 7. Pochinella Kelder, puppet theater turned pub. Ever had a beer in a former puppet theater? Now's your chance. Pochinella Kelder, which translates to puppet cellar, is one of Brussels' most unique watering holes. This quirky pub is located in a 17th century building that once housed a traditional puppet theater. Today, it's a favorite haunt for locals and tourists alike, drawn to its historical charm and cozy atmosphere. Order a Belgian beer, strike up a conversation with the friendly locals, and soak up the unique ambiance. Pochinella Kelder is a true Brussels gem, offering a glimpse into the city's rich past and a taste of its vibrant present. Section 8. The melting pot of Brussels nightlife. What truly sets Brussels nightlife apart is its incredible diversity. This city is a melting pot of cultures, and that's reflected in its nightlife scene. You'll find everything from traditional Belgian pubs to trendy cocktail bars, underground techno clubs to cozy jazz cafes. There's something for everyone, and the best part is, it all blends seamlessly together. One night you might find yourself sipping Belgian beers with locals at a centuries-old pub. The next, you could be dancing to cutting-edge electronic music in a converted warehouse. That's the beauty of Brussels. It's a city that constantly surprises and delights. Section 9. Safety and etiquette. A few tips for the night. Brussels is generally a safe city, but it's always wise to be mindful of your surroundings, especially at night. Stick to well-lit areas where there are more people around. This not only ensures your safety but also allows you to enjoy the vibrant nightlife that Brussels has to offer. The city is known for its beautiful architecture and lively atmosphere, which can be best appreciated in well-populated areas. Avoid walking alone in deserted streets, as these areas can be less secure and more prone to petty crimes. If you find yourself in a quieter part of the city, try to stay alert and aware of your surroundings. It's always a good idea to have a plan for getting back to your accommodation, whether it's by taxi, public transport, or walking with a group of friends. Keep an eye on your belongings, especially in crowded places like bars, clubs, and public transport. Pickpocketing can occur, so make sure your valuables are secure. Use bags that can be zipped up and keep them close to your body. If you're carrying a backpack, consider wearing it on your front in crowded areas. As for etiquette, Belgians are generally laid back and welcoming. They appreciate politeness and a friendly demeanor. When entering a bar or restaurant, a simple greeting can set a positive tone for your interaction. A simple bonjour or good day in French and Dutch respectively goes a long way. These small gestures show respect for the local culture and can make your experience more enjoyable. When it comes to tipping, it's customary to round up the bill or leave a few euros for good service. While tipping is not obligatory, it is appreciated and seen as a sign of gratitude for good service. In restaurants, cafes, and bars, leaving a small tip can ensure you receive excellent service on your next visit. And remember, drinking in public is generally allowed in Belgium, but always drink responsibly and be respectful of your surroundings. Enjoy the local beers and wines, but be mindful of your limits. Public intoxication is frowned upon, and it's important to maintain a level of decorum. By following these tips, you can have a safe and enjoyable night out in Brussels. Section 10. Your Brussels adventure awaits. So there you have it, a glimpse into the vibrant and eclectic world of Brussels nightlife. From beer-soaked adventures to underground techno raves, puppet theater pubs to soulful jazz sessions, this city has something to ignite every passion. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. Brussels is a city best explored firsthand, one delicious beer, one electrifying beat, one unforgettable encounter at a time. So what are you waiting for? Book that flight, pack your dancing shoes, and get ready to experience the magic of Brussels after dark. Your unforgettable adventure awaits. Section 11. Keep exploring, more Brussels gems to discover. Hungry for more Brussels nightlife adventures? Here are a few resources to guide your journey. Visit Brussels, the official tourism website of Brussels. The Brussels Bar Guide, a comprehensive guide to bars in Brussels. Resident Advisor, Brussels, Resident Advisor's event listings for Brussels, focusing on electronic music. This is just the beginning. Get out there, explore, and discover your own Brussels favorites. Cheers!